Vocabulary of days. 1 day, 24 hours. 1 week, 7 days. 1 fortnight, or 14 days or 2 weeks. 1 month, 30 or 31 days. 1 year, 365 days. 1 leap year, 366 days. 1 decade, 10 years. Silver Jubilee, 25 years. Golden Jubilee, 50 years. Ruby Anniversary, 40 years. Diamond Jubilee, 60 years. Platinum Jubilee, 75 years. Century, 100 years. Bicentennial, 200 years. Tercentennial, 300 years. Millennium, 1,000 years.